Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 337. Check if it is possible to split away. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this farm. So this one, there's a very easy to implement solution, which I didn't do, but I opt for the one that's easier to prove. The reason why it's easier to prove is because it is brute force with a memorization. And I'll just go over mine real quick. Hopefully, you know, we'll go over the other solution after that, but yeah. But basically, I'm just brute forcing, like, okay, we're starting with the entire sub array, and then we literally split left and right. We see if left is possible, and then we see if the right is possible, and if they're both possible, then we turn true. And of course, this is recursive. Yeah. So that's I'm not gonna go over it that much. I also used prefix sum so that we can get the sum of a segment or a subarray. And O of 1, like I said, I'm not going to go over it that much. The other thing is that there are a couple of ways to kind of arrive at the same solution, but the idea is thinking about, instead of splitting away, you're thinking of, is it possible to merge the array, right? Starting with one element and then combine them. Well, it turns out that it is always possible if okay. I mean, I think the proof is a little bit tricky. That's why I didn't do it during the contest. Is that if every element, or if every two adjacent element is less than m, then it is trivially true, because then we can just do one element at a time, right? Wait, I said that wrong. Sorry. So if there are at least two adjacent elements where the elements are greater than or equal to m, then it is possible, because you can kind of think about it, and merging these two elements, you can kind of just add one at a time to them, is what I mean. So you can look at them in reverse and merging them instead. If that's not the case, then there's no way to kind of merge into an element of two elements, and if there's none, then you just can't really merge them together. Because let's say if you need three numbers to kind of to sum up to get m, well, there's going to be no way to break it into three individual pieces, because it's just 1 and 2, and you can kind of do proofs that way. It's not a strict proof, it's a little bit of a hand-wavy proof for sure, but that's the way to think about it. And as a result, if you are able to do that, then basically you just, you know, go through something like this, right? If num sub I plus num sub I plus 1 is greater than or equal to m, we turn true, otherwise we turn false. So this becomes way easier after that, obviously, or easier to implement for obvious reasons. I end up taking a bit of time for that, you know. Oh, snap. Oh, I forgot the one case. Whoops. Okay. But in any case, you get the idea. So maybe I would have gotten a silly mistake. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and you can watch me solve a live in the contest now. Is that right? YOLO. Okay. Man, this is so much reading. I'm not in reading focus mode right now. Alright, what am I doing? N-empty, what's n? Of length n non-empty arrays. Each step, you take a sub or an array, okay, a subarray maybe, and then spin two subarrays. For each, at least, okay, so the length is 1, or the sum is equal to, okay. Okay. I think it's just greedy left, right, maybe? And it's only 100 though, so maybe it's just brute force DP. Alright, let's go. I thought there was a greedy one, but n is 100, I'm going to do DP. I think it's easier. What's m again? M is the sum greater than thing. for. Do I do it recursively? Does that make sense? Oh yeah, it's fine. It's a little bit awkward, but fine. Left, right. It goes from left to mid, inclusive maybe. Possible left to mid, inclusive, and possible mid plus 1 right. Return true. I'm missing something, am I? Basically, okay, one element is true. I have to do. I'm missing something. I have to check the M. The sum of the subarray. Okay, fine. So let's how do, I mean, I know I'm supposed to do a prefix sum, right? Okay, fine. What am I doing? Larry. I don't like writing it that way. A little bit more chatty than usual, to be honest. I would like to be more correct than usual, though, but that's besides the point. It's such an awkward thing to write. Stuff. No, this is good. This is so wordy. Watch, I've made and missed an obvious thing too. That makes sense, but what am I doing? This goes to, wait, what? Right plus 1 should be n. What am I doing wrong? Sloppy. So slow on Q2. This is just silly. Right. Okay, then it's this line. So right plus 1 is going on. Oh, and I'm inclusive bounds, Larry. Come on. Okay, still wrong, but two different ways. So two. Left is equal to mid or inclusive. What am I doing wrong? 2, 1 prefix of. Well, my prefix sum is probably off by a little bit. Sloppy. How? What is? This is so annoying to debug. Debugging Q2 is always going to be a little sad. 0, 1. Oh, mid plus 1 isn't quite what I mean. Okay, fine. Basically, okay, 2 and 0, 0, 0, that makes sense. 1, 1 is going to be 1. That's true. And why is it return? Well, I mean, that part is fine. Okay, right. Did I do this wrong? Why is this not summing correctly? There's something about symmetry. The mid is +1 and then -1 because we want to include the mid. Now we want to include mid +1. So then mid. No, that's right. What am I doing, Larry? Oh, so tilting. Okay. So then 6 is the sum, and then 2 it being the mid. So is that right? 4 is right. Left. What am I doing? Tell me why. This is returning true for something. That's why we're having an issue. Okay, so 0, 0, and then 0 to 2. So 1, 2, 2. This is wrong. This is wrong. Huh. 0, 0. It's so mid is not. Am I just off by 1? That doesn't make sense, right? Oh, but then I have to. Oh, it's mid +1, +1, and then -1. Oh my god. So easy. Off by 1 with these +1, -1, 1 index things. I'm not confident about this at all. YOLO though. Okay. Sloppy. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about these farms and this farm and all the explanation. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.